In today's video, I am making homemade chocolate turtles. I decided to try to do it a different way this time with cupcake papers. A lot of times when I make these, I feel like I waste a lot of the pecans. So come along with me while I show you how I put this together. It is a little easier, I think, with using the cupcake papers. The only thing is they're a little bit bigger than maybe you would want. Sometimes I struggle trying to get it open with the little zipper thing, so I cut it with the scissors, but lately I've been having some luck. I also just want to show you that these are just chips. These are pecan chips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to pour a little bit in each cupcake paper. And now I'm going to take the caramel bits. I'm going to put them in the bowl here and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. That will make it work a little bit better when I put it in a microwave, and I will be checking it like every 30 seconds just and seeing where it's at. Give it a good mix. And that looks really good. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put a little bit of caramel right on top of the pecans. I'm going to try to cover the pecans the best I can. If it starts to get hard on you, just put it back in the microwave for a second and that should take care of it. It does harden up fast. I had to put it back in the microwave. And that looks good. And now I'm going to move on to the chocolate. I'm going to set those aside. Before I open the big bag, I'm going to use up what I have left in this bag. Just going to dump. I'm kind of just guessing on how much I need. I can always remelt chocolate chips if I need to. These are so easy to make. They're so much fun. You know, you don't have to do it just at Christmas. You can do it in August or July or whenever you want to do it. I'm going to go ahead and take some chocolate and I'm going to put on each one of the caramels. The chocolate was starting to harden up pretty fast too, so you do have to work pretty quick with this. But the nice thing is they'll be done quick and ready to eat. Now they have hardened, I'm going to go ahead and pull the papers off. I had put them in the freezer for a minute, so some of the papers are stuck a little bit. So you might have to let it thaw to get it off, but if you go slow, they pull right off. I love the lines that left on the side of the turtle. These were so much fun to make. It's nice to have chocolate around the house anytime you want. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.